Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hey guys, JansCrazyLife, craft every day in May. Alright, so we're going to do days 10 through 17. So including today. Sorry, I've been trying to get this video up, but like I recorded it and there was no sound. Hopefully there's sound. If not, I quit. No, I'm just kidding. So crazy week, crazy things going on. So let's start with doing them, trying to do them in order. Alright, so Thursday, okay, the 10th, which is, let me see what day. I think it's Thursday. I'm 100% sure that's a Thursday. All right. Yes, Thursday. So I worked on, no, that was Friday. Okay. Thursday, I did. I think I worked on this too. Oh, I was working on, let me think, what was I doing Thursday? I think I was finishing one of the other projects that we were working on, but it probably was this. So I'm always Thursday because today's Thursday and I'm going to be working on what I'm doing tomorrow. Anyway, so the mock-up, there was a couple of tries or whatever. So this is an IC card. I saw that challenge. If you are in the IC challenge, guys, remember, it has to be in my hand by the 31st. So try to mail it out at the latest, I would say the 25th. Just to be on the safe side. Alright, all that information is in this video. I will link above. And if you're looking for my address, it is in the description of that video as well. Alright, so then Friday, I did this card, and I did this on my live. And then Saturday, I did quite a few things. Anyway, Saturday I ended up making this card because I wasn't happy with this IC card. It was just a lot going on. But I made this one, and I think that this one is gorgeous. It says, "We rise by lifting others." And how pretty is that, right? So then Saturday we went on a live, which is Saturday was the 19th. And I made this page with that card. Alright, so that is Saturday the 19th. I mean, hold on, I'm ahead. Saturday the 12th. Okay. So the 13th, I made this page. And I wrote the word smile up here, but I didn't like the way it looks, so I covered it with some flowers and like watercolored them. And it says, "Difficult roads often lead to the most beautiful destinations." So that was Sunday. Monday is, hold on. So Monday, I think. So I worked on these Saturday too. And these are some more IC cards, and I was messing around with the punch on these, and this lays flat, which I love, but then it is super dimensional. Love that. These are just book pages and a scallop punch. Those are some more IC cards. And then there was this page, which was Monday the 21st. I did this page, and it's embossing, and it looks kind of vintage. I don't know, I like it. I probably could have done more, but I really like the way it came out. I think it's different. And so okay, so the last 3 days I've been trying to get some more inserts done. I am trying to catch up. One of these is for a friend of mine, and one of them is for Lizzie, Sad Girl Lizzie. If you want to be surprised when you get it, you probably don't want to watch anymore. But Camilla, I haven't forgot about you. I am going to make yours and work on it next. And then I will get the rest of them slowly but surely done and put on the Etsy. I know people are waiting on those. If you guys are interested in just the covers and you put your own papers in them, let me know about that with some tabs. So let me know about that if you guys are interested in that. Alright, so because they take a long time to make. So I haven't forgot about you, Camilla, but this is the one Lizzie one, and it says Pretty Little Things. And so there is a bunch of journaling cards and spray super shiny paper, and there's all kinds of tuck spots and more journaling cards and all kinds of great goodness and little charms in here, and it's all blue and turquoise, which is her favorite color, and I love how it came out. So stinking cute. So that is what I worked on from Monday, really the evening on Monday until today, and these two are done. So, and then I actually was working on it in between because these journals take a long time to make. So that is my project share for all of those days. Sorry, it was kind of confusing. I'm going to try not to like have so many days in one video. This is a collab with a bunch of amazing ladies. The one things I want to say is I love this challenge. My number one reason is because by looking at everyone's creations, you get to know a person. You get to see what they like to do, what they're good at, because like, you know, you have to craft. So it's not like trying different things, but you're learning their own style, if that makes sense. So I appreciate everyone. I'm so thankful. So many people were interested and so many people joined. Everyone will be linked below. Please check out all these amazing, amazing crafters. And if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you